Hi, welcome to Talk. Today we're talking about a real innovation in wood-concrete composites, the REISSER KVB-connector, the first approved lift-off lock for TCC ceilings with birdsmouth joints. And here we go. TCC ceilings combine wood and concrete into a high-performance building element. The benefits? Higher load-bearing capacity, larger spans, and all with less weight. To prevent the concrete slab from lifting off, a reliable connection is needed, and that's exactly where our KVB connector comes in. The KVB connector is screwed vertically into the timber construction and transfers tensile forces between concrete and wood directly in the area of the notches. And thanks to the general type approval, its use is also officially regulated. Up to 6 times higher load-bearing capacity, automatic depth stop, no other tools required, ready for immediate use. The 3-part KVB connector arrives at your construction site already ready for assembly. This saves time, material, and ultimately money. The KVB connector ensures a process-reliable assembly without any compromises. One point that is especially important to us at REISSER: what actually happens at the end of a building's life cycle? We at REISSER have also taken this into account with the KVB connector. By installing the KVB connector with screws, the construction remains dismantlable. This means that wood and concrete can be separated by type at the end of their service life. Thus, the KVB connector makes an important contribution to the reusability of building materials and to sustainable construction. Circular, efficient, and absolutely future-proof. The REISSER KVB connector brings safety, efficiency, and a real innovation to wood-concrete composites. More info, as usual, on our homepage. And that's it for now. See you at the next talk. Bye.